This is going to be a video of my 24-inch Pencrest reversible box fan. It is 3 speeds, electrically reversible, thermostat controlled. As of what era this was made or what the date code is, I have no idea what era it was made. If anybody has a suggestion, please leave it in the comments down below. And I'm going to film this video for a New Year's special. It's the latest addition to my fan collection. And you might be wondering, why is it filmed in the basement here instead of upstairs in the usual area? Well, because that's where I use this fan, and also that's the only recording space I have right now. And how did I get this fan? Well, my friends Zach and Ben gave this to me, so Zach and Ben, if you're watching this video, shout out to you guys. And we will go ahead and take a look at the motor. That is a decent sized motor in there, not gonna lie. What type of motor is it? I have no clue. And if we look at the blade, it has got a steel hub, and the blades themselves are aluminum, and they are riveted. And no, this isn't a cheap Chinese-made product. This is made in the good old US of A. And here's the back of it. And again, I do use this fan in the basement to keep the air circulation going. And if we go ahead and take a look up at the top here, there's the control and the thermostat. And of course, there is the logo. And without further ado, we will give it a demo. Here is low on forward. Medium. Or wait, I think this might actually be high. Hold up. Oh, that was medium. Now here's high. Off. And like I said, my friends gave this fan to me. It's very powerful. It is used in the basement to keep the floor dry and to help keep air circulation, which is what it mainly does. But it also comes in handy whenever it rains or something, or if the sink leaks. It dries the floor out real quick. And this is not industrial. And here is low on reverse. Here is medium. And here is high. Whoops, that was on low. Now here's high speed for real. And the thermostat here does work. So you can see when you turn it, that light comes on indicating the fan still has power. off. Whoops. Yeah, we can show it on forward one more time. Hopefully this is off for real. There we go. Wasn't intending on showing it in forward again, but what the hell. And like I said, even this fan's probably never been oiled, and yet the bearings are still as happy as can be. But it could probably use some. And for one last time, I'll show you high speed on both settings. Start off on intake now, or reverse. And now high speed on forward. And off. Well, there you have it. This has been a video of my vintage 24-inch Pencrest reversible box fan. And again, a Happy New Year's to everybody. Peace.